Start with the basics. What exactly is a database? Simply put, a database is an organized collection of data that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet where information is stored in a structured way, making it simple to find and use when needed. Databases are everywhere, from your favorite social media app to online shopping sites. They all rely on databases to store user information, product details, and much more. In this video, we'll explore the core concepts, types, and uses of databases, making the world of data management easy to understand. Databases play a crucial role in our digital lives. Imagine trying to find a single file in a room full of unorganized papers. It would be nearly impossible. Databases solve this problem by organizing data efficiently, allowing quick searches and updates. Businesses use them to keep track of customers, sales, and inventory. Hospitals use them for patient records and banks for transactions. Without databases, managing large amounts of information would be chaotic and error-prone. As we move forward, you'll see just how essential databases are in keeping our world running smoothly. Not all databases are the same. There are several types, each designed for specific needs. The most common type is the relational database, which organizes data into tables. There are also NoSQL databases, which handle unstructured data like social media posts or images. Other types include object-oriented databases and graph databases, each with unique strengths. Choosing the right database depends on the kind of data you have and how you want to use it. In the next scenes, we'll dive deeper into these types and their real-world applications. Relational databases are the backbone of many business systems. They store data in tables, much like a spreadsheet with rows and columns. Each table represents a different entity, such as customers or orders, and tables can be linked together using keys. This structure makes it easy to organize, retrieve, and update information. Popular relational database systems include MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Microsoft SQL Server. If you've ever used a spreadsheet, you already have a basic idea of how relational databases work. SQL databases are designed for flexibility and scalability. Unlike relational databases, they don't require a fixed table structure. This makes them ideal for handling large volumes of unstructured or semi-structured data, such as social media feeds, sensor data, or multimedia files. Examples of NoSQL databases include MongoDB, Cassandra, and Redis. These systems are often used by companies that need to process massive amounts of data quickly and efficiently. Object-oriented databases store data as objects, similar to how programming languages like Java or Python represent data. This approach is useful for applications that require complex data relationships, such as computer-aided design or multimedia systems. By storing data as objects, these databases can easily handle complex data types and relationships, making them a good fit for specialized applications. Graph databases are designed to represent and analyze relationships between data points. Imagine a social network where users are connected to friends, groups, and interests. Graph databases excel at mapping these connections, making them perfect for recommendation engines, fraud detection, and network analysis. Neo4j is a popular example of a graph database. If your data is all about relationships, graph databases are the way to go. Databases store data on physical or cloud servers. The way data is stored depends on the database type, but the goal is always the same: to keep information safe, organized, and easily accessible. Data is usually stored in files, tables, or objects, and advanced systems use indexing to speed up searches. Backups and security measures are also in place to prevent data loss or unauthorized access. Database Management System, or DBMS, is software that helps users create, manage, and interact with databases. It handles tasks like storing data, running queries, and ensuring data security. Popular DBMSs include MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB. These systems provide user-friendly interfaces and powerful tools to make working with data easier for everyone, from beginners to experts. SQL, or Structured Query Language, is the standard language used to interact with relational databases. With SQL, you can add, update, delete, and retrieve data using simple commands. For example, you can write a query to find all customers from a certain city or update product prices. Learning SQL is a valuable skill for anyone interested in working with data, as it's used in countless industries. Security is a top priority for databases. Sensitive information like passwords, financial records, and personal details must be protected from unauthorized access. Database security involves user authentication, encryption, and regular backups. Organizations also monitor for suspicious activity to prevent data breaches. A secure database ensures that data remains safe and trustworthy. Data integrity means making sure that the information in a database is accurate and consistent. This is achieved through rules and constraints, such as requiring unique IDs for each record or preventing invalid data entries. Maintaining data integrity is essential for making reliable decisions based on the data stored in a database. Backing up a database means making a copy of its data to prevent loss in case of hardware failure, cyberattacks, or accidental deletion. Regular backups are a best practice for any organization that relies on data. These backups can be stored on external drives, cloud storage, or remote servers, ensuring that information can be restored quickly if needed. Transaction is a sequence of operations performed as a single unit of work. In databases, transactions ensure that all steps are completed successfully before making any changes permanent. If something goes wrong, the database can roll back to its previous state. This guarantees data accuracy and reliability, especially in banking and e-commerce systems. As organizations grow, so does their data. Scalability refers to a database's ability to handle increasing amounts of data and users without slowing down. Modern databases are designed to scale up by adding more resources or scale out by distributing data across multiple servers. This ensures smooth performance even as demands increase. Cloud databases are hosted on remote servers and accessed over the internet. They offer flexibility, scalability, and cost savings as organizations don't need to maintain physical hardware. Services like Amazon RDS, Google Cloud SQL, and Microsoft Azure SQL Database make it easy to set up and manage databases in the cloud, supporting businesses of all sizes. Databases are used in nearly every industry. Online retailers use them to manage inventory and track orders. Hospitals store patient records in databases for quick access. Banks rely on databases for secure transactions, and social media platforms use them to store user profiles and posts. No matter where you look, databases are working behind the scenes to keep things running smoothly. With the rise of big data, databases have evolved to handle massive amounts of information from various sources. Technologies like Hadoop and Spark work alongside databases to process and analyze data at scale. This allows organizations to gain insights, make predictions, and improve decision-making based on large datasets. Database administrators, or DBAs, are professionals responsible for managing and maintaining databases. They ensure data is secure, backed up, and performing well. DBAs also troubleshoot issues, optimize queries, and plan for future growth. Their expertise keeps databases running smoothly and efficiently. Future of databases is exciting, with new technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and blockchain shaping how data is stored and used. Databases will continue to become faster, more secure, and more intelligent, helping organizations unlock even more value from their data. Staying up to date with these trends is important for anyone interested in technology. We've covered the basics of databases, including what they are, why they're important, and the different types available. We've also looked at how databases are managed, secured, and used in the real world. Whether you're a student, professional, or just curious, understanding databases is a valuable skill in today's data-driven world. Keep exploring, and you'll discover even more ways databases impact our lives every day.